Well, it's 18 years.
Hello from the Japan Pavilion and World Showcase at EPCOT. It's a mouthful.
It is a mouthful.
Holy cow.
So today marks our 18th anniversary when we actually became a couple. God, we're old.
Yes.
Be gentle for the comments. Yeah, because
we're super excited.
Yeah.
We haven't been here in years.
No. Yeah, where are we going?
Teppan Edo.
So, you all know me. I'm nostalgic, and when I asked my wife to marry me, some 2.5 months later, I was at a teppanyaki place, and that's where we're at today. We're here to kind of just be nostalgic and remember when we became a couple.
Also, if you're new, hello, hi, and welcome.
Yeah, we were really super excited.
We're back. We're filming Disney stuff.
Yeah.
We'll be at Universal. So don't forget to subscribe, share with your family and friends, leave comments. We love seeing those. And definitely hit the like button because then it puts us up higher on the list.
Yeah, and if we sound kind of different, it's because we got a new mic system, so
let us know if it's good or bad.
Yeah, for sure. Well, let's
go.
Eat. So we are sitting over here at Teppan Edo. As we said before, this is our 18th anniversary when we met. It's kind of crazy how old Amber got. Just kidding. Anyway, so appetizer, we got edamame, we got assorted tempura, miso soup, and takoyaki, which is octopus. Looks like they got rid of the ribs. They used to have ribs here. They got some sushi, and then you got your entrees, which is a filet mignon, New York cut, Julian steak, salmon, ebi, which is shrimp, tori, which is chicken, and then we got our combination plate, which is a steak and chicken, shrimp and chicken, steak and shrimp. And then we got, for our guests, 9 years and under, we have the shrimp, chicken, and Scottish filet with teriyaki sauce. I believe they have Wagyu here, too. They do have Wagyu. It's $100. Tempting. And we got our non-alcoholic beverages. We have lemonade, Ishigo colada, which is strawberry colada. And we got some sake, we got some beer, and we also have some cocktails. We also have some Japanese whiskey. That's cool. Your turn. Your turn. finally time to eat. So I got the filet, got the upgrade. Amber got the same thing, so you're not missing much. Sure. She said they copied her. I don't believe you. Show me on tape.
I will. I'll rewind it.
But this is the steak. It looks so good.
No, it's filet.
The filet, steak, chicken, udon noodles with vegetables, and then we get rice as well. I'm really excited. And we got sauce. We got yum yum sauce, and then we got ginger sauce. Looks delicious. Amber's waiting for her hockey puck of a steak.
I like it well done.
Look at like it well done. So we are officially done.
The park is closed.
Yeah, it is a ghost town. I like it.
It's so cool. I want to get some pictures now that we can.
I know. It's like one of them things that you want to grab as many pictures as possible, but kind of be quick about it. So that way you can
let the cast members go home.
Yeah.
Because I did not like that feeling.
So, overall review, Teppan Edo, the prices are kind of steep for the amount of food that you get.
And you do not get an annual pass holder discount on dinner. It's only for lunch.
Yeah. But all the food was pretty good.
It was really good. It tasted a little bit different. You do get, we at first were like, oh, well, there's not a lot of food. But once you start eating, like, oh, and then you also get rice and stuff. So it's a pretty good serving considering we upgraded to filet. That was like $4 more. So we paid $8 more for the total bill. How much was the total bill?
Total bill with tip was $140. Yeah. I had to talk to Amber how to get into Wagyu. She really wanted it. I was like, no.
Not even.
Actually, Wagyu is $100. It's not horrible.
How much
4 ounces though.
There you go. And then when it's cooked.
Yeah. So,
but don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah. Right above Amber's head, we are subscribe button, our video, and we just really hope you guys be part of our community because we're trying to grow, trying to do more with you.
Please stay active in it. We love seeing those comments, not just for Robert, because we love Robert, of course.
They were just a mouse.
We want to see other stuff as well.
Yeah.
He's distracted.
I was. There was
It wasn't Mickey.
No, but it was a mouse that chopped through. It was funny. Ha, squirrel. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.